All right, everybody. You are here with Uncle Daymond. We are going to be reading Sprocesses. By the window, Teri spun, blinking out at the sun, thinking, someday I'm going to see where they run. The ponytail girl and the boy with the curls. It seems like they're having so much fun. But I've got to work. I know the deal. Who else is going to spin this wheel? Timmy? He doesn't do nothing but sleep. No way he could do what I do. He's too weak. There's a special way. She makes every turn. Teri took 2 years to learn what she's learned. Bing! A big light bulb goes off. Wait, do you think? Could he really be trained on my Sprocesses? The ones that live up in my brain? I know. What if I write it all down? Here's how many rounds you'd have to go round. These are the how-tos to help with the to-dos. Like this one, be careful, don't fall in the do-dos. Timmy, I know that you're gonna be great because you'll have Sprocesses. They'll set you straight. With her work off her plate, she returned to the glass and thought, okay, next, how to get to the grass. Then came something wonderful, wonderfully weird. The wheel just unfolded. A ladder appeared. Was it here all along, but just couldn't be seen? Till she learned to pass off her old routine. One step at a time, she climbed and she climbed, simply smiling and thinking, my dreams are now mine. And then at the top, Teri saw her next move, a crack under the window wide enough to fit through. With one last look back, she was happy to find the wheel back in motion with Timmy inside. Timmy was loving his new profession. Her Sprocesses, in fact, became his obsession. Look at Timmy. Tim got glasses just like mine. She finally learned to let someone else grow. It felt good to move on from the old Teri show. Knowing the work would keep getting done, she swallowed her nerves and squeezed into the sun. A ride down the gutter, a jump to the yard. She thought that was fun. This isn't so hard. Then Teri looked up, and to her surprise, there were wheels upon wheels right in front of her eyes. Opportunity everywhere. So much to do. She could train all the chipmunks to do this work too. Now, you got a little Teri the trainer. You got her Sprocesses going, reflecting upon how far she'd come. Could it really be me with a business to run? Ooh, I like Teri now. When you create Sprocesses, you save yourself time. And you take control of the ladder you climb. Do it like Teri. Document what you do. To scale what you do way beyond you. The end. To grow, you must let go. One lesson that's never too early to learn. Reinvent the wheel with lovable hamsters. Teri and Timmy, as you teach your young entrepreneurs about the importance of using systems and processes. As you'll learn to call them here Sprocesses. To grow a business that will keep working without you.